Hello everybody, here is in the middle of the night, but I am going for unboxing this Tooth Fairy Barbie doll, and it's the Barbie signature doll, and she's very beautiful, and it would be a perfect gift for maybe someone who just started to lose their teeth, a little child just started to lose their teeth or something, because it's very cute. It has a bag with coins, you know, so it's very precious in many ways. Got the same face mold as the Barbie holiday doll from 23. I just did an unboxing on. I still have a sore throat. Here you can put the child's name, and that's really cute. I thought there were kind of misprints in the package in many places. Fira detta underbara barn 19A ögonblick med Barbie. Many spelling mistakes here. It's a bit weird when it's like a more expensive kind of doll. So when they make spelling mistakes in the boxes, it's difficult. Grip metal. Spell check. She's very beautiful. It's supposed to have a stand in it as well. And I'm so sorry for my throat, it's very sore. Okay. I'll just pause and record many times. So, there is a stand in the back. Looks a bit different. Maybe so she's supposed to look like she's flying. You can, and here she is. The wings as like a support. I really love the dress. The hair is my grandmother, she's not with us anymore. She passed when I was 8 years old. She had hair like this. I'm not kidding. She had the longest, whitest hair. It was so precious. I can remember her sit and brush it every night, and then she put it up in her big like bun on the head. She has like this strict bun. She was like a strict woman, but she had such a long hair like an elephant queen. I took the doll, cut her loose, and I am very happy to see that the wings are not attached to the doll. You can see you're just supposed to put it in the clothes, the wings, and that's great if you don't want to like have her as the display Tooth Fairy all the time, or Shadow wants to play Tooth Fairy all the time. So that's very good, and she's very stunning. She's more beautiful than in the package. The shoes are like sandals. Look a bit like gladiator sandals or something. And she has this wand. Looks like a regular toy wand you can get with many dolls. The wings are beautiful. I will try to get them loose as carefully as possible. And I really love her dress, and I think she's so beautiful. Look at her hair. So these are the wings, and they are very sheer, and you really need to take care of these. They won't stay fresh many playing sessions. Okay, but they are very, very, very beautiful wings. The stand is a bit confusing to me. You can pin it to the sides or to her back, like she's on her back, and you know the stand is a bit confusing. Look, you can like or you can just have it like almost half flying, standing. I'll look at it more later. And there's the bag to keep the coins in, and there's 2 plastic coins, and I think it's like a tooth fairy on the coins. It looks a bit like an old American dollar, but it's like tooth fairies on the coins. Very shimmery, very beautiful. I really like them because, you know, I'm Swedish. I've never been to America. Haven't seen many dollars in my life, so I see that these are not real dollars because I've had some dollars, but they are like fairies on them. They're quite big, and you know. It's very nice. I was really happy to see that she can be used for like everything else, and not just to play a fairy godmother or a tooth fairy with. And she looks a lot like a fairy godmother as well, because she has nothing tooth related on her persona, which is it's quite relieving. It would be a bit scary with like tooth around her neck or something. Okay. I hope you like this unboxing. It has a bit like very fiber plastic, but well, it is. So thank you so much for for watching. Bye bye.